Okay, so we got this going on here. I'm gonna want to take this off, re-weld it, and then we'll take it off from there too. So let's get this out.
It's like different bolts on everything.
That should come off, that should come off. Alright, so this is the muffler. Holy cow, look at that. That is nasty. I don't know if I'm going to be able to fix that because I don't want to grind into that too hard. I'll definitely grind that down and re-weld it. Cracked all the way around here, I'll re-weld that too. I got a really cheap Harbor Freight welder, so I don't know how well I'm actually going to be able to weld it. It might not look pretty, but I might grind it down a little bit just to make it look nicer, because this looks like absolute crap right now. All right, well, and then what I'll probably end up doing is cleaning this off, giving it like a nice little grind, and then repainting it with some high heat stuff, and making it look nicer, because right now it looks like crap. Give it some rust resistance. But yeah, let's grind for now. Let's grind these down. We'll re-weld it. I'll see what I can do here. See if I can make that, clean that up a little bit. I doubt it, but you know, we'll see. And then I'll get to welding. Let's do it. I just want to apologize to whoever I insulted for doing this weld, because I didn't realize how thin this metal was, and it's super hard to weld it nicely. So I couldn't do much better. You got to weld it at a really low temperature, so it is gonna just bubble up like that. So that is indeed as good as we're gonna get. So what I'm really gonna do is I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna clean it, kind of get all the rust off, and prep it for painting. Alright, well, there we go. There's our newly polished muffler exhaust system. think it looks pretty good. I'm gonna paint that black, high heat black, to give it some rust protection. But yeah, let's see what that looks like. Okay, so here's the exhaust all painted. It's been like 10-20 minutes, so it's not fully cured yet, but I'm gonna put that on the bike. And yeah, let's see what it looks like. So that's what it looks like. Not bad. I think it looks pretty dang good. Hope it works. Hope the paint doesn't come off.